Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? This is Dr. Crypto here. So, in previous market update analysis, again, I predicted a perfect move of BTC. It was right here when I've told you guys that it's forming a trend line, and obviously, liquidity lies on both sides. But I clearly predicted I am expecting a small bounce up, and then price will move lower zones. What were those zones? The dog blocks according to the 4-hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame. So what's happening right now, we will discuss in this market update video. But before we continue and get into this video, I would like to show my Discord, where how we predicted a perfect top of BTC and we got entry in its short. See how these guys are printing with us. See this guy V King made 200 USD from our single trade by trading BTC short. This guy got 200 USD profit, and see these all are how we trade them, how we give them signals, and how we guide them with live market updates and all those stuff. You can see our VIP Discord is in front of you. So if you also want to join us on Discord, you can DM us on Telegram. The link is obviously in video's description. We will let you know what's the criteria to join Dr. Crypto on Discord. So guys, you can see we perfectly traded BTC short. Our entry was around 20,300. This was our first entry, but our second entry was exactly 20,450, and we perfectly traded BTC again. These guys made, see this guy, Delon Ligod, this guy made 50 USD profit from single trade. So we just started with few members on our Discord, but we are growing, and these guys all are much happy with our signals. So let's get started with BTC USD analysis. So currently we are on BTC USD 30-minute time frame chart. What's happening on this chart is we can see formation of some demand zones right here. One is right here, the other is right here, and the third one is obviously at the top. So what is the possible next move? We can see a formation of trend line below. So much tons of liquidity lie below this trend line. What can be the possible next move? We might see price might drop, break this trend line, and then after this retest, it might drop a little bit, where retailers would think this drop to be actually a retest of this trend line, and then it might bounce up. So what's the scenario? Currently on 30-minute time frame BTC USD, we are seeing three demand zones. The one is here, the second is lower, and the third one is obviously lower than that. We are seeing formation of trend line below the above the demand zones, and much liquidity lies below the trend line. What can we expect? We might expect break of this trend line. Let me clear off all this stuff from here so it would be easy for you guys to understand. Much liquidity lies below this trend line. What can we expect? We can expect break of this trend line, entering what, the demand zone right here, then test this trend line, which retailers would find an opportunity to short it again. Then after this short, the composite man, or maybe smart money, or the big bang, or it might be the masses, whosoever is interested in this market, so they might be enter, taking all their money and then moving the market against them and liquidating their all of money and making their own profit. So the move is quite simple on 30-minute time frame. Hope so you guys could understand this move. So basically on 4-hour time frame, nothing is special. I had been telling you guys in my previous market update videos that we are in wake of accumulation. It's again accumulation inside a accumulation, which is actually a test of the spring that I discussed in my previous market update videos. So what's happening right here? We can see area of liquidity in form of demand zone or order block right here, and area of inefficiency in form of imbalance right here. As I discussed on 30-minute time frame, price might hit this demand zone right here and the demand zone below this. So what would be the reason for that? We can see that we have an area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance above this demand zone, and right here, let me change its color so it would be easy for you guys to identify it. So this green box is actually area of inefficiency in the form of imbalance, which price is trying to fill this. Usually price fills this sort of gaps or imbalances or area of inefficiencies for a fair value of price. So price can fill this imbalance right here, or it might mitigate into this area of inefficiency, which is in a form of order block on based on 4-hour time frame analysis, and then we can see a possible move towards. So guys, this was today's market update. Hope so guys, it's clear for you to predict the next move of BTC. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and join us on Telegram. And if you want to join us on VIP Discord, you can contact us on Telegram. We will let you know what's the criteria to join us on VIP Discord. Thank you very much.